So just look at it. Okay? So I don't know if somebody's already finished everything or you just have finished, but the speed is not good enough. Okay. So usually for these questions, we should maybe stop, like finish in 5 or 6 minutes, something like that. So everybody, let's take a look at this one. Okay. So have a 3-digit, so 18 something, right? And because this is 0, and we have this one is 0 as well, right? Everybody? Correct? Me? Shit. Oh my God. Okay, she wants to learn math. I'm sorry. So what times 6 get 0? 5. Right, everybody? So it's only 5 times 6 can get a 0. So I know immediately. So here is 3. Because it's only 3 times 5 and you have 18 something. No. Okay. I'm going to hold you. Okay. I'm going to hold you. Okay, dear. Okay. I'm going to hold you. Okay. So immediately I know it's 1880. Daddy, can you hold here? She's trying to box me all the time. Just yeah, she wants to learn math as well. I'm sorry, but not today. Okay, so 376 times 5 equals 1,880. This is like, I can get it within like 20 seconds or something. So now let me ask you a very simple question, because this is still a 4-digit. So I know, and this is 3 something. So maybe I get 30 something, right? So I make a guess. So 9 will be too big. So that's why I do 8. So you put 8. So 6 8 48 0,然后0 3008. So it's the answer. Get it? So it should be finished in like 1 minute. Get it, everybody? So did you get the logic here?
Yes. Rosie.
Iwan? Okay, Austin?
做完了，
我这里做完，但做太慢。
Girly, stop screaming into the mic.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Because no one can hear you.
Okay, so now let's take a look at this one, okay? 2个两位数乘出来还是2位数，但是加起来变成4位数了，这里肯定是1，而且这个肯定是9。Correct? June? Okay, and I'm going to make this number big. Why? Is if this one's big, it's very easy to make what? Make a 3-digit number for here. Do you understand what I mean, Isaac? Right, so I'm going to try 1. So 11 times 95. So 95, 95. So 4045, 1045. Get it? So it should be like less than 20 seconds. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. This one's even easier because this was 1. So 3 times what equals 1? There's only possibilities 7. So it's 111, 111. So it's 1. So 9, 6. And this answer is 5. So we'll get it. So I think this question should be less than 10 seconds. So this one's a little bit hard, but 1 something 8, then this one must be 9. So 108. So this one, I don't know, but this is 1, must be 1. So this one's still 1 something. And this one is 2-digit because it's something times 12 equals 2 digits. So it cannot be 9. So we're going to try 8. So it's 96. So it's 100. So this one is 8 and this one 0, and we finished. Get it, everybody? So this one should be less than 20 seconds as well. So altogether, this question may be a little bit time, so 30 seconds, so 10 seconds. So altogether, it should be finished in 2 minutes maximum. Okay, so this is my requirement for all of you. This is a logic, and I want you to take a look at these 4 questions, okay? So these questions, because I already told you how to do it, if you're still using 5 minutes, everybody slap your butt yourself. Thank you.
Petra has a question.
Yeah, I have a question. How can we make sure that the solution are the only solution? You can try, but the different one, you can tell me like the different one, but the thing is, I'm not asking you to find all the solutions, but based on my knowledge, I think that's the only solution here. As long as it's making sense, Peter, it doesn't matter. You don't have to give all the answers, understand? Okay. No, this is a new one, Isaac. 哎，这个世界上原来除了鹏鹏的眼睛是画的 ，Isaac 的眼睛也是画的。Isaac，这新的4道题目。Do you know what Isaac sent it to me? He said, "Did we just redo the question? It's totally different." 算了 ，OK， 算了。这你知道吧？真的，我教这个小朋友真的也是很累的，你说对不对？像 Isaac 这种小朋友。Okay, so now I'm going to just, that's enough. Okay, so everybody, so let's take a look at the first question. Okay, so first question, because it's exactly the same as the earlier question we talked about, right? Iwan? So the first question, because the other one is 0. So here's 2. So you're going to find out because the 10th place is 6. So I know the only possible answer here is 1, right? Because if it is 2, it's going to be a 3-digit number. So I know it's 62, and it's 62 times 62. So the answer is 682. So for this question, I use 5 seconds. Get it, everybody? Yeah, so you think about it. We need to think about the digit because 6 is here. If I put 2, it's going to be, I don't care about this number, to be honest. If I put 2 here, so it's going to be 100 something. It's going to be 3-digit, right? So everybody, let's take a look at this one. So when I'm looking at this question, I started with here because I think it should be 6. 1 plus 6 equals 7. So that's why I know here is 2. And I know here should be probably 3, 4, or 5. Why? Because if 3 times 3 is maybe 1,000 something, because it's carry over, because 340, right? I don't care about this number, but 4 times 340 equals 1,000 and 360, and 340 times 5 equals 1,700. But everybody, I'm going to immediately take away 4 and 5. Why? Because if this number is 4 here, everybody, an even number times any number cannot bring the last digit as 1, right, Iwan? Correct? Right? Yeah, just to pay attention to your teacher because she is obviously showing off, okay? Okay, so 4 is not enough. 4 is impossible, right? And 5 is also not possible because any number times 5 will lead the last digit 0 or 5. Correct, Peng Peng? Okay, yeah. So the only possible answer here is 3. So now, which brings 3 times whatever times equals 1? 7. So now the answer is, no, it's not 40. So 3 times 7 equals 24. So 4, yeah, so it's 104. And this one is 4 and 9. So the answer is 8, 9, 7, 8, 1. 7, 9, 8, 1. Get it, everybody? So this question a little bit longer, but still like less than 1 minute or something. So for this one, can you take a look at this one? So 800 something and divide by 700 something. So the number here is only possible is 1, correct, everybody? Okay, I want you to take a look at this one. So that is the so-called logic, okay? And because this is 6 and this is 0, so this number is also 6. Everybody? And because this number is 1 something, I minus it. I don't care about the hundreds and 1,000 place. So I know the biggest that I can put is here is 12. Do you know why, Peng Peng? It's because I put 3 here. It's going to be 2,000 something. It's not enough. Get it, June? Right? So the only possible answer here is 2. And what makes 6 here? It's either 3 or 8. Okay, so I'm not going to spend any more time here, but you know that. So this is 8. This is dropping 8. And because this number dropped and there's nothing happened, so this one must be 0. And this one must be 6. And because it's 3 times 7 something, it's 6. So I will have 2 or a, yeah, it's only 2 here, right? 3乘以2等于6. Correct, Peter? There's only possible answer is here is 2. So it's 216, so it's 218. So that's why this is 8. So because this is only 72, so the only possible answer here is 1. Because if you're to put 2 here, it's going to be a 3-digit number instead of 2. So it's 72, so it's 74. So the answer is 7418. Get it, everybody? So this is so-called logic, okay? So we need to practice this a little bit sometimes because I know it seems that AMC 10 is not having those kind of questions, but they're using those techniques to target something. Get it, Drew? Okay, so now let's move forward. Today we're going to I'm going to give you a very good break, okay? Because I know the coming these weeks we're like really exhausting. So today we're going to learn the thing is prime numbers, okay? I know it's just my handwritten, okay? So everybody, I think everybody in this class is very familiar with the prime numbers. Can you stop like playing with your hair because it's really bothers me. I'm sorry. Okay, focus. Okay, so everybody, so who can tell me what is the most important thing for the prime numbers? Austin.
啊，它不是个，那它没法继续分解。
你能不能这样说的更像一个？我真的不想叫你叫 Austin， 我觉得你应该改名叫二丫。什么翠花送酸菜，不能分解。Okay, so everybody, the most important part for the prime is prime can be only. Remember, I'm going to go back to my first
Only
class.
divisible by 1 in itself.
Yeah. It's divisible one in itself, but it is this one everybody knows, but I'm going to describe with the other way. Okay, everybody? Prime number is only could be divisible 1 in prime. But remember the first sentence I told you in the class, I said the product is always better than sum, correct? So back to this sentence, how to write prime number as a product? It's only 1 times p or -1 times -p. Get it, everybody? Please write it down. This is very important. Okay, Austin, 不是那个什么什么什么，我说的稍微高级一点嘛。呀 ，OK， 那个 Austin 现在改名叫二丫，然后 June 现在 June 可以高级一点。OK, June, can you help me to name 3 prime number which is smaller than 10? Very easy. 2, 3, 5, 很好。Okay. So, Iwan, can you name 2 prime number?
What do you mean?
And
Oh,
smaller
wait,
than
never
20?
mind. Sorry.
11 and 13.
Very good. Okay, just give me. Okay, so Isaac, can you name 3 prime number bigger than 20 and smaller than 30? 2.
Wait.
Oh, 2, 23, 29.
Thank you. Okay, so after you take a look at those ones, can you give me something? Did you see something is really odd here?
它们都不是偶数。
那 哎呀，Austin 来，
不
哎呀，取了个名字叫二丫，你就给我根本都不是偶数。哎呀，在二丫的世界里，二不是偶数。Okay, everybody. So 2 is the only prime number which is not odd. Okay, so using a very good language to talk about it. Okay, so 2 is the only prime number which is not odd. Okay, everybody. So let's talk about the third thing. Okay, so because of these two. Okay, so I'm going to just start with something easier. Okay, everybody. Let's take a look at this one. Okay, let's take a look at this one. 1999 equals 2 prime numbers plus together. 1999 is the sum of 2 prime numbers. I want you to find out how many different ways are there.
Is there only one?
谁说的？
Me.
Oh, Isaac, congratulations. But next time, remember, just send it to me. Okay, don't ruin my my trap. Okay, because you know some people like Iwan, Peter, Peng, or maybe Arya is going to fall for it. You know,
One.
don't ruin my trap,
One.
Isaac. There's only one. Yes, very good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Austin. Yes, only one. Okay. Why there's only one, everybody? Because you know 1999 is an odd number, right? So we know odd equals odd plus even, right? And if one of the number, because most of the prime number are odd, so that means one of them has to be 2. So that's the thing. Get it, everybody? 2 plus 1997. Very good. So now you know 1997 is a prime number. Everybody, if you can, try to remember that, okay? So now let's take a look at the first question, okay? Just to remember that there are altogether 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, so it's quarter of them are prime numbers. But when the prime numbers is getting bigger and bigger, it's hard to say it's getting more, but there are unlimited prime numbers existing in this world. Understand, everybody? Because there are unlimited numbers existing in this world. Okay, so now everybody, let's take a look at example 1. If P is a prime number, P cubed plus 3 is still a prime. What is the last digit of P33 plus 33? 你先做了。
这句话是真的吗？
对啊，只有先做了。
我对了吗？
我不知道。
June, you are such a uncultured human being. Like, excuse me.
人家都已经做好了，你还在说话呢。
I was busy teaching her a lesson.
Okay, everybody, I have received Austin, I have received Peng, I have received Iwan, I have received Isaac. Peter, 看一下. Okay, so it's okay. It takes a long time to just find out. It's okay. So let's take a look at this one. If P is a prime, but remember, Peter, if it is still a prime, So most of the prime number are odd, right? Because p cubed plus 3 cannot equals 2. We all know that, right? So because p is a prime number, if it is 2, so p equals -1. -1 is not a prime number. So p cubed plus 3 equals odd. That means what? That means it must be even plus odd equals odd, right? Because 3 is an odd number. So that means p cubed is an even. So makes p must equals what? Equals 2. So it's 8 plus 3 equals 11, a prime number. Get it? So p is a prime. So 233 plus 33. So we know 2 the power 1 equals 2, 2 to the power 4, 2 equals 4, 2 to the power 3 equals 8, 2 to the power 4 equals 6, and 2 to the power 5. Again, back to 2. So it's every 4, they repeat. So 33 divided by 4. So remainder is 1. So the remainder is 2. So the last digit is 2. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. So the answer is A. Okay, Peter, get it? Okay, so let's take a look at number 2. Okay, number 2. 哎呀，有人又抢跑了。二丫说 I'm now fighting for my name. 二丫永远是最厉害的。哎，不给你们看了后面的题目，你们总是抢跑。I don't like it. 是我看错了吗？二丫撤回了是吧？二丫撤回了。二丫，就不要这样嘛，对，我不会说你的了，你都已经是我的二丫了，我不会说你的。艾文 ，Do you want me to give you a nickname？ 鹏鹏是狗事儿，
Excuse me?
狗事儿就是狗剩下的，
You mean
你和狗蛋儿是一辈的。
No, I like to be 翠花.
翠花是 bagel。
I like bagel.
June, do you want a new name?
You can be 狗蛋儿, June. June, your new name will be 狗蛋儿.
Okay,
Real-
June gave me an answer. So let's take a look at this one. Okay, this question is a little bit different. Okay, so actually in AMC 10, there are a lot of questions like that. So the first one is A is belong to Z. I hope you understand this. Okay, so that means A is an integer. Okay, but I didn't say it is a positive or negative. So that means A could be negative, positive, or 0. Okay, so A belongs to these ones. So basically A belongs to everything but just whole numbers. So 4A squared minus 12 A minus 27. Good job, Iwan. 你看，一取了名字就好用，是不是，Iwan？
Am I right?
Let me see. No,
Damn it.
我对了吗？
不对，
我没对，这个不对。
二丫本来对的，后来二丫撤回了。
因为那我才发现，因为我不确定他那个好几种答案加在一块儿之后，
OK， 好，我们来看一下啊，反正不管，现在只有那个二蛋对了。Iwan 是二蛋。Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so 4A squared minus 12A minus 27 absolute value is a prime number. So everybody, when you look at this, so we are 因式分解，对不对？ 对吧？对吧？因式分解嘛 ，sorry， so it's 29 plus 6 equals negative 12, right? So it's 2a plus 3 and times 2a minus 9， 对不对啊？狗事儿，狗事儿懂了吗？狗事儿不要再弄头啊！狗事儿不要再弄头发了啊！再弄头发，跟你讲死路一条，对不对 ？OK， 来 Peter 太 nice 了，我不好意思给他取名字。Okay, so Peter, let me ask you, if this one is a prime number, it is a product, Peter. So the first thing in this class, what did I say? I said 1 times P equals P, or -1 times negative P equals P. But for this question, because it's an absolute value, it could be -1 times P, or 1 times negative P. Get it, everybody? So there are 4 options. Okay, I'm very glad. Actually, there's nobody is sending me the answer 4. Okay, great. Okay, at least you're not like that. Okay, June, good job. You corrected yourself. Okay, so get it? 看到了没有 ，Peter？老师有没有给你做没学过的东西？没有。I'm a nice teacher, right? So the most important thing I told you at the very beginning of the class， 有没有让你们记下来？记下来了，对不对 ？Correct, Isaac? Okay, so now we have 2a plus 3 equals what? Equals 1. 2a minus 9 equals, or 2a plus 3 equals -1. Or 2a minus 9 equals +1, or 2a minus 9 equals -1. 对不对 Correct, June? Okay, so we have 2a equals -2, so a equals -1. And this one is 2a equals -4, so a equals -2. Correct? Am I right? Yes. So this one is 2a equals 10, so a equals 5, and 2a equals 8, so a equals 4. So a will having these numbers. So a equals -1, -2, 4, and 5, correct?
Yeah.
Right? But the thing is, find the sum of all the possible value of a. Huh? So plus them together equals 6. Okay, get it? Peter, understood? Okay,
Yes.
hi,
Yes.
Isaac.
Yep.
OK 好 ，OK 好，我们来看下面一题啊。So two prime number P and Q, 3p squared plus 5q equals 517. Peter, it's an odd number, okay? So 5 plus p plus q equals what?
我做完了。
OK，
I think.
So everybody, I just wish 二丫和你们都可以做一个 做一个手拉手的好朋友，所以我就跟你讲，现在很多小朋友发给我的答案都是对的 ，but it's only half right.
Bro.
That means what?
I sent another one.
Thank you, Austin. So 二丫 you get all right.
Who's Arya?
Austin 呢？
Then what am I?
你是狗剩啊？
那我做的不对吗？
你对了呀，你做了一半对呀，
我都做对了吗？
你做不对呀，
不对，
不对。When we're talking about the, sorry, hi对，hi 也就做了一半，hi 跟二丫是一样的，但是就是 hi 只做了一半嘛，但是那个二丫把艾文也就做了一半，所以我跟你讲为什么一半，说明这个题目有2个答案。
我都做对了吗？
只做对了一个 June。二丫 good job，OK，、你看还是要说出来。但是那个狗事儿，你跟二丫做的是 no. The thing is, when we're talking about the prime number at this stage, okay, everybody, we're talking about the negative number and positive number only. June, we're
哦，
not talking about the negative number. Yeah.
质数有复数的。
这回对了吗？
对了。Okay, so I'm going to discuss about it. Okay, so for the people who sending me like Peng Peng, so if this one is an even number, so this one must be odd, right?
嗯
So that means P has to equals
，wait，
2.
等一下，wait，
I问
Never mind.
那如果那谁跟你说这只能这个是even 了？那我这个是 even， 这个是 negative， 这个是 odd 的呀，对不对？所以有两种可能，所以是 3p squared plus 10 equals 517, or 12 plus 5q equals 517. So that's why there are two possible answers. Get it, Iwan? 对，二蛋知道了 ，OK？
Oh, never mind.
Did you send it to me? Hi hi.
No, not yet.
为什么？
What do you mean 为什么？
Why you not sending it to me? Okay, so now everybody, let's take a look at number 5, okay? And number 4, and I don't care about you look at number 5 because we're not doing number 5. Ha ha. Okay, so everybody, number 4, everybody, your turn.
For June.
它那个 z 加什么意思呀
Oh, that means positive integer.
？OK，
Okay, good job. So I have received June and Austin. So you two have the same answer. So either two of you are all right or two of you are all wrong. Okay. So June, what is your vote? You vote for 二丫吗？
都对。
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so everybody, 艾文又改了。好，我再给你们1分钟时间。艾文改一改。
还是错了吗？
我不知道啊，不能说的，
哦，
说了赖皮。 Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so because x, m, n are all equals to, belongs to the positive number. And let me just tell you one thing. Okay, so m plus n equals 5. So can you just make a table that m equals 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, and 4, 1? Everybody, is it the only possible answers here? Yeah, Austin, you're right. And we're not number 5. But you get it right. Good job.
其实这个地方，它这个那个 prime number 它只能是2。
对，只能是2。对 ，OK， 我让你过会讲，好吧？我让你过会讲二丫，让你一血前耻，好不好？让你爽一把二丫。OK， 好，我们来看一下这个题目。Everybody, is it only possible answers 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, and 4, 1? Correct, Peter? Okay, so let me ask you. So did you find out? Because m plus n equals 5. So 我们在做 prime number 的时候，大家一定记住一件非常非常重要的事情啊。Odd 和 even 是你一直要在想的东西，每看一道题目都要想。那 Isaac 你看到了吗？这边有个 5， 对不对？那说明 m 和 n 的奇偶性是 must be one odd, one even. So when m is odd, n must be even. When m is even, n must be odd. Correct, everybody? So this is something I want you to have this one in your brain. So let me see. So these two are also prime. So let me ask you, x squared plus m is prime. And m is already 1. So that means when m is odd, x squared must be even, correct? Correct, everybody? So you can just put when m equals 1, so x squared must be even. Or x could equals 1. Correct, everybody? There's only possible answers is here, right? Correct? And when m equals 1, so x squared equals what? Could equals 1. So you can take a look at this one. So x, 我们可以这样子画一个图啊。So x is here. So we make a table. So m and x. So when m equals 1, x must be equals 1 or negative 1, right? So let's see. Go back to this one. So x squared is 1 minus 4. It's also working. So x could be 1 and negative 1. Get it? But x is a positive number, so negative 1 is gone. Get it, everybody? So x is 1. So you can just putting them together. So when x squared plus 2 equals a prime number, so x only can be 1 again, right? But when x squared minus 3 equals prime, absolute value, so you're going to say x could equals what? Cannot be 4, cannot be what? Cannot be 9, so that's it. So there's no more answers for this. So x could equals 1 only, but let's take a look at this one. So when x equals, m equals 3, so x squared plus 3 equals a prime number. So x could equals 2. Get it? Because 2 squared equals 4. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So 4 minus 2, again, is 2. So 2 is a possible answer. So after that, you try the thing. You know, there are only 2 possible answers for m. 艾文，你怎么办？艾文啊，你说你是不是二蛋啊？好，二丫。Let's welcome 二丫来给我们讲一下第5题。二丫要一雪前耻。
Who's Arya?
嗯哼，
Wait,
So-
never mind.
这题凭经验随便蒙一个就对了呀。
这怎么评价？那你来讲一下呀。
就通常啊，你看这个数，它下面这个次方这个幂的这个数字那么大，而且这个答案它又不可能给你太大的，毕竟它是要手算的 AMC，所以2的话它肯定不对，上来直接猜3，包对。就
你
细节是3，然后代入直接算下答案就好了。
不，你再说一遍，什么包对？哪里包对？怎么包对 ？P 等于什么？
P 等于3呀。
啊，对，我跟你讲，这个倒是真的，就你们要听一下二丫。虽然二丫有的时候讲话很不靠谱，但是这点你们要听听她的啊。OK，everybody look at me，OK？就是这个数字啊，它让你求这个 Q 啊，它不会太大的， 因为你看这个 p 如果是什么10啊什么的，这个数字算不出来了，你们知道吧？所以你们要相信二丫在这种时候的这个，因为你看如果 p 等于11，那4的11次方怎么算得出来 ？Right? So 二丫 is right. So first of all, he tried p is 2. Okay? So 16 plus 16 plus 4. 哎，一看就不对，全是偶数，对不对？啊，不是。对不对？哎，对啊，对对啊，就不对了，对吧？好了，那要是我是二丫，对不对？我根本就不会算，我根本就不会算 two。二丫，我问你，这个 q 是个 prime number，这里全是偶数加起来
对吧？我说刚刚说2肯定不对，就直接跳了呀。你没
啊，
听到吗？
你是没算对吧？我刚刚听了个你说我先算2，我们不好意思啊，没听清楚，是不是？是不是2不用算了，对不对，鹏鹏？对，we don't have to try to because you know 4 2 plus 2 4，这一看就是偶数嘛。So we start with 3. So 4 power 3 plus 3 power 4 plus 4. 你看这个等于多少？64加上81加上4。So the answer is 149, and this is a prime number. So you're done. OK， 所以艾文，我为什么要跟你说，让你就是不要害怕，你知道吧？像这种东西没有选择题，直接让你算出来 ，Austin 是对的，就直接算这个。而且这个题目它没有办法给你出选择题，如果他给你出选择题，你就往里凑一凑数字，不就出来了？ So it cannot be a choice, multiple choice. 如果在 MC10里面，或者你们在以后别的考试里面发现它是选择题，这个题目怎么办？艾文、二蛋、Peter 就把这个数字带进去，然后一个一个算。Understand? Okay, get it? June? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. PQ is a prime, and 7P plus Q and PQ plus 11 also prime. Find PQ and QP. 太简单了啊，想想有没有那个啊？OK， 好，做好了 ，very good。哎呀，很好，每
Is
个
二蛋 correct?
对的都对了，二蛋都对了。哎呀，二蛋，我跟你讲，二蛋发给我的答案上面，二蛋你看一下你打的，反正你总是要有一点不对的。我跟你讲，你怎
Are
么
you talking to me? I forgot who was 二蛋。
二蛋是艾文啊，
Oh, I thought I was 二蛋。Never mind.
你是狗剩儿，
Is 狗剩 correct?
狗剩 correct。
Oh, okay.
朱伟说这是一个什么班级啊 ？I don't want to be in this 班级 anymore. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. This is a prime, and PQ plus 11 is a prime. So Q must be 2, correct, everybody? That's what I think. I can try P equals Q. Okay, sorry, Q equals Q equals 2, and P could be any numbers, right? So for instance, like 3. So 21 plus 2 equals 23. Correct? I'm just guessing, okay? 好了，那为什么呢？然后你们来看这个 P times Q， 对吧？那只要是2上任何数字，它就变成偶数了，对不对？14加上11啊，不对，哎呀，不对 ，right? It's not right. Okay, so how do we do it? 来，二蛋，你来告诉我一下。
How do we do it?
那二蛋，你是狗剩儿，哎呀！来，
Who
二蛋，
called me high?
来，二蛋，快点，艾文，快点！我不会做呀，怎么办？
我猜对了吗？
你对，
我猜的
你对了呀，你怎么猜的呀？你做对了呀，对的呀
I'm。gonna save this
OK
little cat.
因为 P 我就设成2的，
OK，
然后我就 Q 我就猜的，第一个猜的是3，就对了。I don't know how to explain it.
那你们为什么不
Yeah.
猜？你们为什么不猜 Q 等于2呢？
因为 Q，I don't know.
Q 等于
看到 Q 不能等于2，P 等于
Q
2。
等于2，Q 等于2，它永远不行啊，P 等于3。
对对对，OK，所以 P 等于2，Q 等于3，所以是2
Q
的
也可以等于
3次
2，
方加上3的2次方等于17。
不是 Q 也
萌萌，
可以
你干嘛玩猫？不要弄。
，Q 为什么不可以等于2啊？
Q，我告诉你为什么 Q 不能等于2啊？OK，very good question. Thank you, thank you, Austin. Thank you, 二丫 for letting me showing myself off. Okay, everybody. 如果 if Q equals 2, so 7P plus Q equals 7P plus 2, right? And 2P plus 11 is a prime, correct? Okay, so if I'm just taking P equals 3K plus 1, or P equals 3K plus 2, because there are only 2 options there, right? So you're
那
gonna put them
P 可以
there.
等于3的，
啊？
可以 P 也可以等于3的，还是可以。
这个 PQ 加上1了，
也 P 也可以等于3K。
它俩可以换着。
对啊，但是如果对啊，然后你如果 PK 等于3的话，就是 P 等于3，Q 等于2和 Q 等于2，啊不对，P 等于2，Q 等于3是一样的。Correct for this question. So that's why no matter which one, the answer will be 17.
那要是还有其他答案呢？
就写17就行了呀。
但是答案不唯一，有时候。
对，有的时候答案不唯一，对，但是这次就是难得题目出的好。OK，好，第7题。X equals A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G over H, okay? So A, B, C, D, E, F, G is equals to the prime which is smaller than 20 and cannot be repeated. And X is an integer. So find the maximum value of X. And 你们看一下，从小于20一共有几个 prime number 啊？1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8，是不是一共就20个啦？一共8个啦？2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19。Correct? So just putting these numbers in there. 那个艾文，你那个叫什么二蛋啊？不是二蛋，你做好了，你看看啊，那个数字能不能算出来的啊？不要到时候又算错了啊。 Doing good job。哎，73除以2等于73除以2可以被除的啊，二蛋。看我身上打你屁股啊！二丫，那个 June 比你的大，so June is the winner。我要 maximum value of x。哎呀 ，x 是个整数，二蛋。
What？
对呀，
喂 what？
对呀 x 是个整数啊，要不然就太简单哦。你把上面的数字大的放在下面，让下面放个2。
Oh, that's what I did.
整数啊，那下面肯定不能是2啊。那你想最大值，二蛋倒是挺聪明的，他把所有的数字加起来，然后除以2啊。对啊，我要是没有这个，那就3秒出答案，对不对？想的那么美，二蛋。Austin，二丫，你把那个几个数字发给我，什么除以什么？你现在比那个 June 大了。哎，我得给 June 取个名字，
Doing the baloney.
二也不能都2呀，对吧？那个我们现在有2字辈的和狗字辈的，只有你喜欢2字辈的还是狗字辈的？你看鹏鹏是狗事儿，对吧？那个Austin 是二丫，然后二蛋。OK，me 是谁呀？Good job, Isaac，very good。来，那个我把 Austin 的这个算一下啊，我用计算器算。
哎，我是不是算错了？真的。
我都不想说你了啊，二丫。
Did I get it right?
Wait, did I get it?
哦，我好
哎呀
像算错了。
Why is this so goofy?
哎，不对，二蛋。那个叫什么
What？
Isaac，你选那个狗字辈儿的还是选2字辈儿的？
I don't know.
叫狗香，好吧？
Okay.
Guys, in a new language.
狗香 ，OK， 好，叫狗香。Isaac 叫狗，快点，狗剩，加油。OK，那个叫什么 June， 我给你2吧。2，
Why? I'm so lonely.
你有 Isaac 啊？你是狗剩，Isaac 是狗香啊。
哦，是。
OK，Thank you，二丫，你终于对了。
你要算半天算错了。
那个叫什么狗剩，你跟二丫原来的答案是一样的，但是 it could be bigger，it could be bigger。OK，everybody，我不公布这个答案了啊，自己做。OK，Peter，this 你也算错了。OK，最后一道题目。
I think I know it.
Last question.
Wait.
X is a 狗剩儿，我觉得你肯定是算错了，但是 you're very close to the right answer， 你肯定是算错了一点点。OK。So x is a prime. So x plus 6 plus 8 plus 12 plus 14 is still a prime. So what is x?
说出来了。
Thank you, June.
得快点。
谁快点啊？哎呀，那个June 名字还没想好呢。二筒 ，June 叫二筒。对，二筒最快。
我也做好了。
OK，二筒最快，狗香第2，然后二丫第3。
Slay the Baba Grills.
Yeah， OK， 你们做的那么快，再做一题。OK， 我们再做一题。
I'm sorry.
Last question. Okay, a is a natural number. A power 4 minus 3a squared plus 9 is a prime number. Peter, good job. You get it right. So just asking you, a power 4 minus 3a squared plus 9 is a prime number or a composite number? Is that a question? "所以你们猜好了嘛？对吧？50%的几率可以猜对的。哎，我们看看谁运气比较好，好吧？
Is mine correct?
哎呀，我跟你讲，你们真的不能不相信啊！这狗剩这个人啊，狗剩就是一直就是靠猜的，你们知道吧？
我猜对了吗？
对啊，这狗剩是唯一一个猜对的。
我真的算了。
对啊，呀，狗剩
真的
猜对了。
算了。
对啊，狗剩猜，狗剩根本就
对啊
没猜，狗剩算都
我没
没猜。
You were like 我们看谁运气好吧？And I was like
狗剩一听老师说啊，我们看看谁运气好，狗剩马上 give up，马上算都不算了。我跟你讲。Okay, this question is a little bit complicated. I'm going to give you the detailed answers for that one. Okay, so the homework, sorry, it's already 9:10. So the homework will be finished everything here. It's only 14 questions, but I'm going to give you another 6 questions. So altogether, it's going to be 20 questions. So everybody, 10 questions we have been already finished in the class, right? And you're going to just do 10 questions, but try to make some details, especially for, I think 二丫和二童, you're good. For the question we already did, but the rest of you, I still want to see how you get the answer because you still remember the answer, right? But I want to see how you get the answer. Understand? Okay, so I'm going to give you another additional 6 questions. Probably going to be a little bit harder, but remember, just remember everything. When we do the prime number, the most important thing is the odd and even. And there's another thing, our dan is it's always equals p times 1. Or negative p
我是什么来着？
negative
狗
1.
剩。
你是狗剩，对。然后如果有 absolute value， 这个时候又多一点 negative p times 1 or p times negative 1， 永远就只有这4种情况。So prime number maximally 最简单的题目基本上都是这个，难一点的题目就像我刚才说的，它会变成说 3k and 3k minus plus 1 and 3k plus 2. That's it. Okay, everybody. But when we see the prime number, the very important part, don't scared to be try. 对不对？像 Austin 一样，像阿丫一样，就不停的去试，试了就可以，好不好 ？OK， 呀，二丫，对呀，二丫发给我说 Prime， 然后我说不对呢，二丫又猜了个 Composite， 对了。
呀，我 obviously 肯定对呀。
Okay, everybody, that's it for today's class. I'm very happy, and Peter, you're going to have a name, okay? Next class.
Petra。
刚刚那题是不是随便带一个数进去就可以了？
对呀，Austin。
你带1就好了，然后1加1
是
就
natural number， 你随便放个数字就进去就行了，知道吗？Get it?
刚
It's the
也没
best way.
出来
对呀，非常简单，对不对？我在想你怎么会做错？你是最喜欢带数字进去的人。OK， I wish everybody is get 二丫的不要脸做法。OK， I wish everybody get 狗剩的 best luck. Okay, everybody, that's it for today's class, and we're gonna see each other next week. OK， 啊，还有那个是最前
I'm
面的
screaming,
8
I
道
can't
题。
hear you.
那个 class 最前面的那8道题也都重新做一下，做的太慢了啊，真是，听到吗？啊 ，OK， give yourself like 3 minutes and finish them all. OK， 拜拜。
谢谢，拜拜。